Understanding Hurricane Watch, an English language guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting and important phrase in English, hurricane watch. This term is widely used in weather forecasts, especially in regions prone to hurricanes. Understanding its meaning is not only helpful for language learning but also essential for safety. So, let's get started. Hurricane watch is a specific term issued by weather services. It means that hurricane conditions, winds of 74 miles per hour or higher, are possible within a specified area. This alert is typically announced 48 hours in advance of the anticipated onset of tropical storm force winds, winds of 39 to 73 miles per hour. The key point here is that a hurricane watch is about potential, not certainty. A hurricane watch is usually issued for coastal areas where hurricanes can make landfall. It's an alert for residents and authorities to start preparing for the possibility of a hurricane. This might include securing homes, preparing evacuation plans, or stocking up on essentials. Understanding this term is crucial for anyone living in or traveling to hurricane-prone areas. It's important to distinguish between a hurricane watch and a hurricane warning. While a watch indicates the possibility of hurricane conditions, a hurricane warning means that hurricane conditions are expected in the specified area. A warning is usually issued 36 hours in advance, indicating more immediate action should be taken. I hope this video has helped you understand what a hurricane watch means and why it's important. Remember, it's a term that's crucial not only for language learning but also for safety in hurricane-prone regions. Stay safe and keep learning.